So this is the kitchen. There's a staircase going down right here. We're gonna have to tie into some nosing right there. Staircase nosing. There's that little pocket cabinet that's gonna slide over to hide that staircase. The blue tape across is the edge of the countertop. There's two 52-inch islands going in the center of this room. They are centering the islands off of this ceiling. So we're taking up this brass piece. It goes under these pocket doors so that we can sand and clean up underneath it. And there was obviously a little dip here, so whoever installed the floors put some newspapers underneath it. And if you look, that newspaper is dated 1794. Jamie, you taking a nap down there, or what you doing?
Yeah, I got sleep. I got sleep outside.
I got you. Don't fall in that damn hole. Here, come on. There you go. Don't knock the booby trap down. The booby trap is for the people that are going to try to walk on the floor, not people working on the floor. Now watch the piece of your head. Now that's the one that's designed to get your brains. All right, put it all back. Good job. All right, let's go.